Hello guys, good evening. I'm from batch 108 by the way. So here's a question. Ano po ginawa niyo during the waiting game? Cause same po on my 1 month na po waiting, 3 invites na din. As mentioned guys, no, umabot ako ng 5 invites, 7 weeks after graduation ako na-hire. So during the waiting game, syempre medyo anxious tayo at magkaka-self-doubt tayo, no. Pero masasabi ko lang, i-enjoy mo yung time na well-rested ka and spend time with your family. Although, yung iba syempre, kailangan na din ng pera, ganun. Pero wala kasi tayong magagawa, ganun talaga siya. Pray for the right client for you. Yung perfect match talaga sa'yo na magkakasundo kayo. Kasi mahirap yung magiging toxic sa trabaho, ganun. So, just do your best lang. At saka, hindi mo yun kasalanan. No? Depende talaga yun sa client. It doesn't define you. Pero, find comfort kasi may 3 invites ka na. Ibig sabihin, yung profile mo, wala namang problema. Kasi, attractive naman siya kasi nakakaengganyo naman siya ng client. So, wait mo lang talaga yung client na tatanggapin ka ng buong buo. Kumbaga, yun lang guys. Thank you.